Eagles are large, powerful birds of prey in the family Capuchin, known for their strong talons, hooked beaks, keen eyesight, and majestic flight, symbolizing strength and freedom. With over 60 species found worldwide, they hunt live prey like fish, reptiles, and mammals, often nesting high in cliffs or trees and forming lifelong pair bonds. Famous examples include the bald eagle, U.S. national symbol, and the golden eagle, and they are known for their impressive size and predatory prowess, making them apex predators in their habitats. The Hindi name for a jaguar is Jaguar, jaguar, pronounced similarly to the English word, and it refers to the powerful big cat native to the Americas, known for its distinctive spotted coat, with variations like Jaguar, also used. It's a member of